Welcome to Tiny Tots Hub. Letter E story. The sound of letter E is eh. Ellie the elf had a red egg. He met Ed the elk. They sat on a log and ate. Ellie said, "Eggs are the best." Letter F story. The sound of letter F is F. Fay the fox found a fan. She felt the fun wind. Finn the frog jumped fast. Fay and Finn had fun. Letter G story. The sound of letter G is G. Gus the goat got a gift. The gift had green gum. Gus gave some to Gil. "Good gum," said Gus. Letter H story. The sound of letter H is H. Hal the hen has a hat. She hops to the hill. A hot dog is on a plate. "Happy hen," says Hal.